So I woke up today and I realised I'm going to be financially independent by summer 2024. I'm most of the way there, but how can I get there even quicker? I'm not going to spend much more time trying to start a new business and have all my Telegram channels I need to run and make sure everyone is happy. And I'm sure you guys are busy too and cannot exchange time for money. So I sat down on my favourite chair and I got to thinking, what things can I do to make money without spending time to making passive income? After a long research phase, I came down to two main things. I could put all my money into the stock market and hope it goes up by 9% in 2 years, or automatic Forex trading. Can you get your online for? Yeah, it was Forex trading. All jokes aside, you've probably seen other people using Forex robots and seem to not make any money from it, and you thought all robots must be the same. Well, they probably just googled Forex robot and clicked on shopping and bought the first bot they saw. No research, no dedication towards your knowledge, so I have come to correct your path. So just sit back, enjoy the video, watch how I show you to find a working bot and how to set it up. By the way, if you're interested in Forex auto trading and bots, you should definitely click the free Telegram first link in my description. So what is a Forex robot? A Forex robot, is it the same as an auto trader? Are they legit? How much money do you need to start up? How much profit can they make you? So a Forex robot or a bot is basically, it sculpts the market from gold pairs, currency pairs. It'll sculpt and produce a trade. The way it will trade will be following the sculpting of the market fluctuation. So the bot will trade for us, if that makes sense. Where in auto, it's you hook it up on a live account and you let the automated system trade from a real people. That I supply both things. And you're probably thinking, are Forex bots legit? Yes, they are legit. You just gotta find the correct ones. There's many out there, but some, as you can see, are bad and good. How much money do you need to start up a bot? It all depends, really. It all depends on what your capital is or how much you're willing to spend. And the truth is, bots are brilliant and they don't cost too much to start up. It just depends on what you need to start with. How much profit can they make you? From 1,000 to tens of thousands. All depends on that main capital. So you're probably thinking, where do you find a bot? How to tell a good one from a bad one. So a good bot will come with results from real people, results from the guy who's selling it or trying to market it, and testing it on demo accounts. That's you can tell if it's a good one. Also, it's not perfect, but it's still good. And then a bad one, a bad bot can be no results, bad reviews, it martingales a lot, it's not a good bot, and you can tell, really. How to tell if the person selling you this is a brokey or actually uses it themselves. So the way you can tell is check their Instagram pages, their Telegram pages, their TikTok, see what lifestyle they're producing, because there's very people out there who sell a fake lifestyle, sell you bad bots, and that's how they make their money. So in my Telegram group, I have real people with real results. I had a brand new 100k funded account, and in the space of a week, I made 11 grand on a brand new funded account, and I made 11k with my bot. My bot is definitely one of the best bots in the market, without a doubt. How to set up a robot. So what app do you need to use to trade with a bot? So the app you need to be is MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. So the way you do this is you need it on a laptop or PC, and then you need to drag and drop the files onto your graph, and it's as simple as that. How can you tell it's activated? So on the graph, there'll be a smiley face in the top right corner. If it's a sad face, it's off. If it's a smiley face, it's on. It's as simple as that. Is it possible to lose a trade with a bot? Of course it's possible, but the bot is so smart, it'll make that profit back instantly. So you don't need to panic about losing any profits. So the way you can make this back is that, say if one day the bot lost 300, and about 4 to 5 days later, it'll triple to make the profit back. Some days won't be perfect as a trader. As a trader in the Forex, you need to learn not every day is going to be a good day, and the bot can definitely make that back for you without a doubt. So what results can you expect from a bot? So you can start trading with a small amount or go all out. For me, I would recommend starting with a small account. You can go a live small account or get a small funded. I would best bet to start with a small funded, maybe a 10k or 25k. Stick the bot on, low risk, and look how it works. Get your gist around it and get the idea of how it works, really. If you go all out, you're going to make money, but is it really worth it in the end? Do we have no money to spend, stop being a brokey? Yeah. How long will it take to make the money back from the bot? So Depends on your capital starting size really, but I reckon from your first funded payout you make that times triple, times 4 easily. Live account you make it back. It all depends on the capital. So if you, I don't know, say if you had a 10k funded account, 10k funded, you would return about 500, 600 profit per day. Time you get your 30-day payout, 60-40 split, 70-30 split, 80-20 split. You've got your payout from the bot, and you got your refund from the funded account. And then with me, with the monies I make from funded, deposit it into the live, and still using the bots it's a big circle really. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget, if you want to get started with Forex trading, message me on any social media in the link below, and join my free Telegram group. I hope you enjoyed it.